Hey everyone, we're Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are vlogging for Wednesday. It's the third week of it, and I have 3 weeks and a half left of school. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and yeah, leave down a comment if you have any questions for me over here as well. Yep, 2 weeks, 3 weeks and a half of school. Gotta be in the midterm. End of this month on a Friday, we gotta take Ashley an ultrasound, see how many babies I'm gonna get in many ways. So that's my mind right now. We are back to paintings. We got Skaven up. Um, that's the last of the Warhammer video for September scheduling, and we are doing now October videos. From now on, we'll be doing four kind of terrain scary Buddhist miniatures for D&D painting session. And for Warhammer, you can go wah on uh, orcs. I printed some 40k proxy orcs, but also I got crap tons of Age of Sigmar orcs I need to paint as well. I really do not like the look of the Age of Sigmar orcs. I really wish they went back to their version of the orcs. I don't like it how Games Workshop have to do want to change the look of a iconic race like the orcs and just f it up, make it more looking more realistic. I can understand Lord of the Rings style war gaming, but come on. Um, it does not look like that in the old world too, especially the Total War 1, 2, and 3 that I've been playing in the past. It's just one of those things, I wish, or I might end up printing a proxy version of Age of Sigma Orcs with that face in it in many ways. I did fill out Age of Sigmar or Stormbringer magazine that you saw in the past several shorts. So we are trying to, get that done as well. We got a lot of D&D. After I have 6 bottles of 3 kilogram bottle each, and I think I have like 6 filament left. After that's done, I'm not gonna print for a while. I have to save money for the child that's gonna be coming up next year. So a lot of baby stuff. I got a lot of moving to do after I think like 13 more weeks. That's if the baby's viable and healthy and all that stuff. Then we're able to like create the baby room, move stuff out, and you see a lot of short videos of that because I got videos already done towards end of September. It's just I could use a little break. I just make a little simple dumb shorts I probably do and just post it up every day like I usually do. But we'll see how that goes for now in 2 weeks, and we'll go by day when it actually happens. I am just ready. Finish some school in the summer. Then I have a 1 month break. There are a lot of games that's coming out that I am going to play and probably end up live streaming. The first is Neverwinter Nights 2 Enhanced Edition. I play the original one, the Neverwinter Nights 2, and the expansion. That's when computer games came in the big case with discs in them. That's these are how old these games were, and I still have them in in the bookshelf. It will be interesting to see the definitive edition, even though the graphics is a little bit better, but it's basically just updated graphics and scaling so you can play on modern PC. So there were tonight's two for the remaster. I am, will be loving plays 3.5 rules. But the first, I think my favorite was Neverwinter Nights 1 still, even though it's 3.0 rules in Neverwinter Nights 1. I think it had a better story. 2 did not really have a story. It's just a lot of they try to use a lot of the stuff from like the idealism from the Githyanki Silver Sword and the Demon Realm and the nine layers of hell. It's just very funny to see it that way. They got some cool DLCs in it. The Zankyakith or whatever that's called with the Yantis. You actually build your own little campaign fighting marine mine rights and stuff like that to mine stuff, and you build like a fortress with all your stuff. Then you go to war with the Yantis, if I remember it correctly. That was kind of a janky style. I know now we have a lot better version of like the Kingsmaker, uh, from Paizo. That is more like that. But we'll see how that goes. Final Fantasy Tactics, re master, I believe. I don't think it's a remake. It's a remaster. That is going to be coming end of September. I'll be a fall class, but I'll be playing the crap out of that. I owned the first one from the PS1. I haven't played the Game Boy Advance version of it. I really did. I no play a lot of Game Boy Advance games, even though I had one. I played was Pokemon Blue and Silver. So version for a couple of Fire Emblem games. But now I'm going, happy to play both of them on the new remaster of Final Fantasy Tactics. I'm getting that for the Switch. Persona 4 Revival. Um, I think it's probably the best Persona game out of the 1 through 5 for it. But Persona 4 Revival, that's a remake, and it has the same graphics as Persona 3. It made Persona 3 more playable because Persona 3 on the PlayStation 2 and the PSP was not that playable because it was a very janky system that they were transitioning and doing for that in many ways. So Persona 4 Revival, I do like it. I do play that shit a lot. I actually record videos, streamed it in the past, so on this channel. So I might do that again for that. That's I think coming in August. I really don't know. Um, there's some few more other games that I was excited to play, but that's for now. Um, Spaceball 2 has been announced. Mel Brooks, I still can't believe he's alive, 98 years old. Uh, so yeah, so Spaceball 2, that'll be in 2 years from now, 2, 3 years. Oh no, it's 2 years because 2007 is 2025. For it, um, that's pretty much all I have. It's just that I've been tired and exhausted. I just can't wait, the day to just freaking fly by and yeah, what we did. Oh yeah, Final Fantasy. We did some box booster box opening Final Fantasy. We put the video up a while ago. I have all the four commanders box set. I pre-ordered it way before people start buying it all out. Also have a game store that you can go that I can pre-order, save myself a spot for it as well. I do like it. I do enjoy it. I am going to get some proxy cards as well because a lot of the price for these Final Fantasy for singles has been inflated a lot. But yeah, if you are hurting for money, I should sell it for that price now than holding it on for a longer period because those prices will dramatically go down. Just giving you guys a heads up. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.